Uh-oh, send in the rednecks, all of them spinning round and round. All right, pull your hatchets out. Chop, 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 swing. Uh-oh, here come the po-po, too much murder.
First add one video that we will also use later. Click the clip and freeze the very first part of it like this. Delete the video and leave the freeze it clip. Now add the picture of other murderer. It doesn't matter how many it is, all you have to do is copy and drag it alternate, then follow this duration list. Now click this white box to add transition, and choose slide then cube and click apply to all. This duration must be on 0 for before you export it, so you need to adjust each clip a little bit to remain on its duration. Now it's already for export it, then make a new project. Add one video of the one who get murdered. It must be for 1s duration. Then add the project we made earlier, copy it and adjust the duration to 3.8 seconds and 4.0 seconds. Add transition slide cube beyond the first and second clip. Click the copy clip, then reverse it. Now, add the video that we add on our first project or the video that we freeze. When you choose clip in this part, choose that clip with the movement. It must be 3.6 seconds or more so you can split it. After you split it, find the scene that have different angle and split it again, then delete clips that we don't need. These two clips must be 1.5 second and 2.1 seconds duration, then add transition then and now. Now let's add effect in the first vid from basic, choose shake, then adjust the effectively until the end of the clip. Now, we will add effect on the second vid from party, choose red alert 1 and after that add astral. You can change the speed or other option when you click this adjust. Click the clip cause we will add animation out fade out with 2.1s duration. Now, go at body effect, then from emotion, choose cool to add red thing on the eye of Jenny. Go at the start of the project cause we will add effect from retro, we will add silent and extend it until the end of reversed clip. After that add 17 slowed video clips. I already cut it and arrange it for this tutorial, but here's the duration list. Just take a screenshot. Now add the audio that we will use. Listen to the audio and add text if you hear the lyrics that I type. The font I used is from English, which is fetching. You can change the color when you click style, and for animation, I use flash and fade in. Copy this text twice, then add keyframe on the start and on this side. The keyframe of the two text must be at the same spot. Move the text when the second keyframe is red. Use graph ease into to have smoother movement. Watch and follow what I'm doing. I know you smart to pick up what I'm doing on this part, so just be observant. Done. Thank you for watching this tutorial.
Rednecks, all of them spinning round and round. Uh-oh, send in the rednecks, all of them spinning round and round. Round and round. Chits out. Chop, 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 chop. Swing, 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 swing. Uh-oh, here come the po-po, too much murder.